Now let's look at a couple of sample images. We have connected a USB 3 CMOS camera, which is 2.3 megapixel, and it has 1/1.8 inches, almost half-inch sensor size, and we are using 0.5x C-mount adapter. And we are going to look at a Telia sample. We have connected a 4x objective lens. Now we switch to 10x. Next is 20x. The camera is set up at auto exposure mode. Switching to 40x objective lens, we may need to retune the focus a little bit. We switch to 60x, which has 0.85 numerical aperture. Next is 100x oil, but I'm using it without oil in this step, just to show you how the image looks in air mode. Obviously the sample will not be in focus everywhere. Now we'd like to look at epi-fluorescence sample images. Before that, this is the brightfield mode. Let's turn off the halogen light, and the image you see here, it will be in green channel, blue excitation, green emission, and we are using the 4x at this moment. We switch to 10x. Next is 20x, 40x, the default lens, 60x, since it is from a different package, so it needs a little bit tuning in the focus, and the default 100x oil, we need to readjust the focus, but obviously if we use oil, it will be very crispy, sharp image, and also the background will be dark. The only thing we have done in the camera, which was black balance, and the gamma factor was adjusted, and the images, all images were captured in auto exposure mode. So over here we have a Telia sample, and at this moment we see the image in brightfield mode, and we turn off the brightfield light, and the objective lens I have, it's over here, it's a 4x, and I switch to a green excitation, red emission. This is 4x objective lens, and we switch to 10x. Next is 20x. You can see some very bright regions we have. You see it is saturated. And this one is 40x. And now we have 60x. And we go to 100x dry for demo purpose. If we add oil, then we can expect very sharp focused image. And also we need to do some setting changes in the camera while we have been using auto exposure mode, and all of the setting was automatic.